Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Sign into your Apple ID and ensure iCloud has enough space. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug the device into power so sync won't interrupt. Now open Settings or System Settings, go to your Apple ID, tap iCloud, and enable Contacts. This activates iCloud as the sync source so your phone or Mac will push and pull changes. Make sure you choose iCloud rather than a local or third-party account. Next, you align settings and consolidate records. On iPhone, go to Settings Contacts Default Account and select iCloud so new entries save there. On Mac, open Contacts, choose Preferences Accounts, and enable Contacts for your iCloud account. If you have duplicates or third-party lists, log into iCloud. Open Contacts, and use the vCard import or the merge function to combine duplicates. Doing this centralizes data, so every device receives a consistent, deduplicated contact. To finish, trigger a manual sync by toggling contacts off then on, or simply create or edit one contact to force a push. Next, verify consistency across your devices and on iCloud. They should all reflect the same list. If something fails, don't panic. Sign out of iCloud and sign back in, confirm Apple's iCloud status, and ensure network access. Make a backup by exporting a vCard before major changes, so you can restore if a sync or merge goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.